Let me tell you a story, young man. The Knicks will never win.
Why not?
Why not? When you want to wake up and see the truth. This is New York, my friend. Everybody goes to Madison Square Garden. They don't need to win to sell tickets. In Sacramento, they need to win tickets. In Cleveland, in New Orleans, in Minnesota, in Green Bay, New York, all the tourists. They take their wives to Fifth Avenue, they take their wives to Broadway, and they're going to say, "Hon, I took you everywhere. Let me go to MSG, the most popular place in the world. Always sold out." Let me tell you something, young man. I went there 2 years ago. I look around me. I didn't see an American. All the tickets were sold out. All right? Wake up. Knicks will never win. Not in our lifetime. They don't need to sell tickets. The rest of the stadium need to sell tickets. Goodbye.